The WordPress audio block allows you to easily embed and display audio files directly within your posts or pages. It's a simple way to add podcasts, music tracks, or other audio content to your website without needing extra plugins. Here's how to use the audio block. Add the audio block. Open WordPress editor. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Posts. Add newer pages. Add new to create or edit a post or page. Add a new block. Click the plus button to add a new block to your content. In the block search bar, type audio. Insert audio block. Select the audio block from the available options. Upload or embed audio. Upload audio file. You can upload an audio file directly from your computer by clicking the upload button and selecting the file. Insert from URL. Alternatively, if the audio is hosted externally, click Insert from URL, then paste the link. Customize the audio block. Adjust settings. After inserting the audio, you will see playback controls. You can adjust alignment and add captions. Publish or update. Once you're happy with the audio, click Publish or Update to save the post.